Jesus Christ. That went all the way to the Macquarie rowing shed.
In the end, she gave up.
Okay. Nothing wrong with
Alright.
Her husband didn't think so.
He was a
This one.
coward.
Round number 2.
Being strong, not giving
Up
up.
high, up high.
Dad's gonna see if he can try and
It's
see
just
it.
his place to hide.
Ready?
He
3.
pushed away the pain so hard. He disconnected himself from the person he loved the most.
Did not get that.
To lose.
That was epic. I'm glad we made it.
I saw it.
Did you get it on the phone and the video?
Hey.
Oh! Did you hear that?
That was up for ages.
Don't.
Where did it go?
It just like splashed up. You see that?
Yeah.
Annihilated.
Okay, ready?
Let me get back.
Oh! Where did you fire?
Into the mud.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
It splattered all over the water.
Can I see it? Can I see the video?
Give me.
Alright.
Ready?
Okay.
No. Wait. Yeah.
Oh, it landed on the other side.
It only just landed.
It landed over there. You don't know. Ready?
Yep.
Whoa.
Whoa.
You didn't screw it on properly, obviously.
I did.
No, is that all potato
Yeah,
stuff?
it broke. It broke.
Oh!
Whoa.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Is that potato
Whoa.
stuff?